as my work as a journalist, in my personal opinion as Kofi Asante, I think the president was reckless.
Okay. That's a man who
Nanado. Now this is what he said. I came here because Ghanaians are having difficulties and suffering. It is my responsibility to try and help you because it is at obi an Facebook page there another kind of flamante mu Ghana phone na dodo no ediseno. It is my responsibility to try and help you because if it is a question of counting who vote for me and who doesn't vote for me, I shouldn't be here because you don't vote for me. Another than Akufo-Addo.
Kofi, wait a Mr. I'm not trying to doubt, but Kofi Mu sure said another nekasa asem.
I think everybody here, and I hope you take the message all across. North Tongu, South Tongu, Central Tongu. When these things happen and government acts, politics does not come into the matter at all.
Politics me here me crowd. I'm back be
When I took the oath of office as president, I took the oath of office as president of every single individual in Ghana. Of all peoples in Ghana, all districts. And whether they voted for me or not, once I have taken the oath, I am the president of all the people. So, Togbe, you and your elders, I want the people here, you, beginning with you, and the elders to understand that when something like this happens and government acts, government is acting for Ghanaians, all Ghanaians. I came here because Ghanaians are having difficulties and are suffering. And it is my responsibility to try and help. Because if it's a question of counting who votes for me and who doesn't vote for me, I shouldn't be here because you don't vote for me. But that is not my concern. And in any event, one day you will vote for me and my party. So Tommy, I came here to express my sympathies and to commiserate with all the people of Mepe and the area.
My post video now. A black president making these comments. I came here not because Ghanaians are suffering and if it is vote, you don't vote for me. I think the man was just like
Kofi. It is one of the most reckless statements ever made by the president of the Republic of Ghana. One of the most reckless statements ever.
What this will be cry? Oh yeah, it was he was taking opportunity to react to comment.
How?
But you see, at this is the moment when man for near man when the Japadi baby
Kofi, two things.
I say you.
Kofi, Mamenka was Mbako. Kofi, one. Obekai the same water region. Or hine na oka say omu school dine na sefo. No oka say on na be instructing man akwakoye school dine adie no. Okay. E blocks ni bi no kai. This is the same place or a similar community or I mean a catchment area. Almost as akwa here mu a oko make statement.
But you see, my analysis statement ni as a student of communication, I don't think sene hu here sene me or ade.
Exactly.
But hear me, he was reacting to a comment.
Kofi needless.
Akoso. Or react. But for me, I think that the platform and the forum no.
Kofi.
Na ehun here say
needless.
Obeko.
Sa comment no reacting to no. Why not say?
Oh no.
Kofi why not say sa comment?
We've had the NDC a black one can say.
Kofi, those people do not matter
because
he is the president of the land.
He doesn't care because Kofono enye ne.
Kofi in America say he is the father for all.
So premising that discussion, no, I think that Nanka this time at that material moment, you know, they need to
needless
because one and Kofo because we tie the okay.
I came here because Ghanaians are having difficulties and are suffering. And it is my responsibility to try and help. Because if it's a question of counting who votes for me and who doesn't vote for me, I shouldn't be here because you don't vote for me.
So my worry and it's Nanado was reacting, but as a president, you mean also reacting.
What capacity? And my president
as a president
exactly.
Of the Republic.
So there was no need for any politics.
I am telling you why Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo said this.
Good.
That is the information on my part as a journalist.
Good.
Many people are not bringing why Nanado can we.
Good.
And we are not. And I need to inform my listeners. DNT Akufo-Addo can having done this as my work as a journalist, you know, in my personal opinion as Kofi Asante, I think the president was reckless.
Okay.
Why? Because with him, we are president too. John Mahama, fine, we're opposition leader, but he doesn't carry. You are the leader, Ghana for Eddie Etumiamawa. In fact, when I was a mistake with Abba, I will blame the president for this spillage. Why? Because you are the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. So, VRA, EBS spillage where you must be informed. National disaster. The president is informed about spillage where he knew it because they cannot do this spillage without official confirmation to the president. With him the havoc. VRA for him says almost able methodical department say omo right information. Now watch this. Nippon a den swim fish. Take me back to the people are swimming. The people have lost their dignity, their life, entire everything. Nipa Evans, watch this video. And it is a president. What train? And Enra was how many days? So almost 6 days.
Yeah.
And I feel I woke up because you traveled. And I feel Wababedu. Oh, Nanado.
Kofi.
The best thing you could have done was even not. And one say, example, me buy nano a yibia. Go straight. Let me help you.
Kofi.
Mamini. And nano a bia. Who can you obey Kenya? We are and the account. Example, nano mete say, John Mahama, former president Bahak, ebe can say bikra me maha because me nwemo ho. Example. Medical man me mpanimfo we assembly adu anya wa na bia president medical ba and am aye to na me hwe kwan e be fa so a ma ye we let the people know. But if you want to react to John Mahama, you don't go to this extent and I'm on to aba mame and then